here, and thank you for coming to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you the basics of a value ladder with some value ladder examples. I explain how it's used in conjunction, how the value ladder is used in conjunction with a sales funnel to provide the secret sauce really for making money online. So I run through the basics of the value ladder and how it's used in conjunction with a squeeze page, and I give you a very common example. Make sure you watch step by step because I do go through each stage step by step. I give you an outline of how it works. Also, make sure you watch to the very end of the video. Don't skip it, because at the end of the video, for those who've watched to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to show you how I make money online and how I'm using the power of the internet, how to leverage the internet to make money online. So make sure you watch all the video, watch it till the end. So without further ado, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. My name is Morgan Lewis, and I'll see you in the video.
So welcome back to the video, guys. Now in this section, I'm going to explain to you the basics of the value ladder. I'm going to give you a very common example of the value ladder. It's a very simple process. It's a very simple idea. But you'll find that the value ladders are everywhere. They're all around us. So the value ladder is a very powerful sales and marketing strategy. It's used in a lot of things to sell us things, basically. Now, the goal of a sales funnel, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, I'm going to do a video on sales funnel, but a sales funnel basically is a way of getting traffic and getting customers into your system. Now, the idea of a sales funnel is to break even. So at the front end, when the people come in to your funnel, they put in their email address, you break even. You give them something very cheap, high value, but fairly cheap to break even. So you make a bit of money to pay for your advertising fee and your advertising cost, which means your advertising costs and your adverts are then free. The idea then is you make money on the back end. So the initial product on the sales funnel pays for your adverts, and then you can promote higher ticket products as you go up the value ladder to make profit on the back end. So all a value ladder really is a product line. The more value you give, the more value the product gives, the more comfortable people are going to be able to pay, the more comfortable they're going to feel in paying a higher price for that product. So the sales funnel gets people in, and the idea then is that your funnel pushes them up the value ladder. As you go up the value ladder, there's more value, and there's more money, and there's more profit for you and me. So this is just a quick schematic of a sales funnel, basically. So it starts off at the start here. Here's our traffic source, and that can be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. The idea is people opt in. So we send our lead capture page to various traffic sources. They then opt in. So there's lead magnet. So the customer opts in. We give them something to tempt them to type in their email address. That can be, a PDF or a video, something like that. So they type in their email address. That's the opt-in page. Now they're in the funnel. Then we have a bridge page where you introduce yourself along with the benefits and the service that you're promoting. Then you come to the low ticket sales page. So they come in, the low ticket sales page, $7, $3, $1, £4, £5. It's a low ticket product which they're comfortable paying, high value, low price. That then hopefully will pay for all of this over here. Your traffic source, so your paid ads on YouTube or your paid ads on Facebook. So now they've come to the bridge page, they've come to the sales page, they've taken up your low ticket, your $7 course or your $7 PDF. So they've paid for the cost of the advertising. Then come in the upsells. Then you offer them the upsells. They're in your funnel. You can offer them the upsells, more sales pages. You can slowly then offer other products and offers at higher ticket prices. So they've come in through your basic funnel. So at the bottom, at the sales page, they're at the lower end of your sales funnel. They're also at the lower end of the value ladder. You've still got high value but low cost. So the idea is to break even with low ticket sales and then make profit on higher ticket sales. That's the basic marketing concept using a sales funnel. I'll do a video on a sales funnel. Right, and now they're in your value ladder. Because once they're in your email database, you can then promote higher ticket prices. More value, higher ticket. So here's our value ladder little diagram. So the more value, the higher the price. Obviously the value is here going up on the y-axis, and the x-axis is the price. That can be dollars, it can be pounds, it can be anything. So you'll start off, they'll come in through the sales funnel and they'll be here somewhere. So this could be $7, $1, a cheap product, high value but low cost. So low price at the bottom of the value ladder. So they get value at lower price, builds their trust, builds their trust. You can then, once they're in your funnel and they're in your email database, you can then offer them higher price products with more value. Obviously, the higher up they go the value ladder, the more value, the more price, the more profit. Because you've got that email address and you've paid for it by the lower end product. So your advertising costs are being paid for. So everything now on the back end, as you go up the value ladder, is profit for us. And everybody likes a bit of profit. Here's the example, classic example of a value ladder that we all know about. Not all, perhaps most people should know about it. So here's our value and here's our price. It's the Apple value ladder. It starts off with an iPhone. You can buy an iPhone, obviously. You can buy more expensive iPhones, but you can buy fairly cheap iPhones. That is the bottom of the value ladder. People get the iPhone, they pay so much a month, they like it. Okay, then they might get an iPad. So a bit more value, a bit more cost. They get the iPad, they like the iPad, more value, more value, more value. Then they might get a MacBook. Right? Higher price. Or they might get an iMac. That could be the next step. So these are all products increasing in price, increasing in value. That was a skill of Steve Jobs. The value, the perceived value. So the price goes up, so does the value. These are products. Then you can also introduce other products on the back end. You can market other products, Apple Pay, Apple Music, or Apple TV. These could be subscription services. So this is a very common value ladder. The example I've given is Apple. McDonald's could have this. Disney World could have this. Get people in, lower price, high value, and then once you've gained trust and you give more value, they may purchase higher value products, more profit. And then you can introduce other things like subscription services and courses. That's a typical value ladder using Apple. So here's a bit more of an example. So going back, traffic source. You get the traffic source, be that Facebook or YouTube. You capture email addresses with an opt-in page, another lead magnet like a free report. Goes to a bridge page where you introduce yourself and the benefits of the product you're promoting. Then we go to the sales page. This is where you get, it's like the $7 or £7 is the bottom end of the value ladder. So this $7 or £7 hopefully pays for your advertising fee. So everything from then on is going to be profit in an ideal world. Sales page. People buy off the sales page. Obviously, we can have an upsell. We have an upsell of $97 perhaps, extra course, or a Facebook group, or a mastermind. More value, higher price. Okay, so they got up the value ladder. Then we can then market and increase the value ladder, increase the product, offer products such as subscription, coaching, or training. This is where you make the profit at the back end. The $7 or the £7 is paid for your advertising fee with a bit of an upsell, $97 or £97. All good profit. And then once they're in your sales funnel, you can then push them up the value ladder. Subscription services, coaching, training, Facebook coaching, one-on-one coaching at a higher cost, masterminds at a higher profit. So you build trust at the bottom end of the value ladder. You give them value. They increase in your, they increase trust in you, and then you can increase the value and increase the product range. So a sales funnel and a value ladder is the secret sauce. Okay, combining a sales funnel and a value ladder is the secret sauce to marketing, more specifically affiliate marketing. But this works in any type of business. So the low ticket products pays for advertising and you break even. People will be more prepared to buy low ticket items. High value, low ticket. People aren't too fussed about spending £5. They are fussed if you go straight in at $97 or $1,000. So get the value, get the trust, low value, low cost at the start. Once they trust you, you build value, you build communication, they'll trust you. You can then offer them higher ticket prices. At the back end of the value ladder, that's where the profit comes. If people have got value from your products, they may be more comfortable in buying a course or having a mastermind or a one-to-one with you for £1,000, for example. So the sales funnel and the value ladder is the secret sauce. So, same sort of diagram. Starts off, they're in the funnel, you've got their email address, you give them a little magnet to get a nibble. Give them like a low price, high value, low price, $7. You can then increase the product value. Increase your profit, increase the value to the customer. As you're going up, there's more value to the customer, more profit, more cost to the customer. High value, high ticket. Get to the top of the value ladder, and then you can do your subscription services, one-on-one coaching, masterminds. Just like Apple do. McDonald's do it. Every business will have a value ladder of some sort. The idea as well of a value ladder and a sales funnel is that the opt-in page to collect the email address. That in itself is a valuable resource because once you've got that email, you've got it. Facebook closes down, YouTube closes down, TikTok closes down, you've still got the email address because you've collected it. You can then follow up forever, right, on your autoresponder or until they unsubscribe. Most people don't buy anything until about 5 to 12 contacts. That could be an email, it can be a video. Okay, so by just having one offer at the start, $59, you're leaving money on the table. By not collecting their emails and following up, because people don't tend to buy straight away. I mean, some people do. They don't tend to buy straight away. It takes 5 to 12 touches before they trust you, before they buy. That's why an autoresponder is a good thing to have. Most businesses who don't collect emails leave money on the table. Just spotted my spelling mistake. Apologize for that. Not call it. That's not a machine thing. Collect emails. That is a very important thing. If you don't collect emails, you're leaving money on the table because you can't then follow up I don't care what business it is, dentist, chiropractics, affiliate marketing, whatever. You need to collect people's emails so you can follow up and push them up the value ladder. On the last point, when I saw this concept, a sales funnel and a value ladder, that turned the light on for me. Another light bulb came on in my head and I thought, this is the way to go. I'm going to use this in my affiliate marketing. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I've got on this section of the video. Just a brief introduction to a sales funnel and how that works with a value ladder. Because you've watched to the end of this video, like I promised, those who listen to the very end, I've got a bonus after this video. If you want to know how I use a sales funnel and a value ladder to leverage the power of the internet and make affiliate incomes online, specifically high ticket affiliate income. If you want to know how I do that, stick around because I'm going to show you what I use in combination with a sales funnel and a value ladder to make money online. So I'll see you in the next part of the video. Stick with me.
What's up guys, and welcome back to this part of the video, and thanks for staying until the end. Like I said, because you've stayed until the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to show you what I do to power the internet, leverage the internet, and make money online. Now, I make money online using affiliate marketing, and more importantly, or more specifically, high ticket affiliate marketing. I use this training to make commissions from $1 up to $1,000 and more. Now, there is a link in the pinned comment. That's the program I use. If you go straight to that link, it'll bring you to this page. So put your address, your email address, and your name in that. I'll take you to another video where it explains a 15-day challenge. It's a business builder challenge. It costs you $7. So there's a lot of value in 15 days. It's what I started on. It costs $7 for 15 days. So go to the link, put your email address in there, get started today, pay the $7. If you want any help with anything in that 15-day challenge, I'm there to help you amongst other people. It costs $7 for 15 days of value. Even if you don't take that any more, there's enough in there to get you going. So like I say, click on the link, put your emails in, pay the $7, start the 15-day challenge today and start making commissions online. So besides that, if you've got any questions, put some comments in the post. I answer them all. But apart from that, that's all I've got today, guys. So I'll see you on the next video.